Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are doing a refrigeration job, a commercial refrigeration job. It's for a walk-in freezer. It's a large walk-in freezer. And behind me, you can see here, this is that's the condenser coil right there. And behind me, these here are the panels that go on the side. And you can see right here, that is the headmaster, that is the liquid line dryer, and that right there is called a sight glass, because you're able to see the freon passing through. This big thing here is called a receiver. That black thing here is called the compressor. That's the condenser motor, and that's the fan blade. And here on this side, we have all the electrical parts to it. And this is a vacuum pump, and what that does, it removes the humidity, because we soldered in a new condenser coil because the old one had freon leaks. And so we got that into the freezer, wasn't working properly, and we came back, we found that it had freon leaks, so we had to replace it. Everything's under warranty, so customer's going to be obviously happy and get this work done, get another happy customer. And so call us for our AC heating and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us at the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, and after we get this done, everything will be working nice, and it'll be freezing again, and like I said, another happy customer. So call us 24/7. You can find us on YouTube as well under ABC Austin, ABC Austin Service Express, and ask us about our 10-year warranty on parts, 10-year warranty on labor, and up to 10-year warranty on financing on certain products. Okay, all right guys, see you in the next video.